Hi, I'm Aram, and in this video you will learn how to use formulas and functions. Don't worry, I'm with you and I promise you, after this tutorial you will master formulas and functions. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for your support. Every formula starts with an equal sign. B1 plus C1, press Enter key. Edit the formula by double-clicking it. B2 minus C2, press Enter. B3 multiplied by C3, press Enter. B4 divided by C4, press Enter. To repeat the formula, click and drag the green square in the lower right corner of the cell down, or double-click it. Here we have entered the tax formula. If we use a Fil Handle or relative reference for the 280 income tax, we will encounter a problem. We must use an absolute reference and lock the tax percentage cell with F4 key. Then use the Fil Handle. Use the Alt equal shortcut for AutoSum. The mean function returns the smallest number in a set of numbers. The median function returns the number that is in the middle of a set of numbers. The max function returns the largest number in a range of numbers. The small function can return the smallest numbers by ranking. For example, the second smallest number in a range of numbers. The large function can return the largest numbers by ranking. For example, the third largest number in a set of numbers. The average function returns the average of a set of numbers. The mode function returns the most frequently value. The count function counts the number of cells in a range of numbers. The Counta function counts the number of cells in a range that aren't empty. The Concat function joins multiple text into one text. The text join function joins the texts together. The trim function removes all spaces from a text string, except for single spaces between words. The lower function converts all letters to lowercase. The proper function converts first letters in each word to uppercase and other letters to lowercase. The upper function converts all letters to uppercase. The Len function returns the number of characters in a text. The right function takes out text from the right side. The find function returns the starting position of a character in a text, and in this example find at sign position. You can combine the left and find functions. Is Excel equal to Word? That's false. Is 10 equal to 30? That's false. Is 10 less than 30? That's true. Is 30 equal or greater than 10? That's true. In the AND function, if one or more conditions are false, the result is false. In the OR function, if a condition is true, the result is true. Who is older, Ophelia or Henry? If Ophelia is older than Henry, write Ophelia is older than Henry. Otherwise, write Henry is older than Ophelia. Ophelia is oldest. If Ophelia is older than Henry, and is older than Luna? Right, yes, Ophelia is oldest. Otherwise, right, no, Ophelia isn't oldest. Is Harry older than Ophelia or Luna? If Harry is older than Ophelia or older than Luna, right, yes. Otherwise, right, no. Whose age do you want to know? If the name in cell F49 is John, write his age. If the name in cell F49 is Oliver, write his age. If the name in cell F49 is William, write his age. Otherwise, write unknown. The ifs function checks multiple conditions in order and returns first true result. Some if function sums numbers in a specified range by desired criterion, such as accountant's income here. There are other functions such as sum ifs, average ifs, count ifs, min ifs, max ifs. The Vlookup function search value vertically. The result column must be to the right of the search column. To use Vlookup function, first select the lookup value and then select the range. Enter the column number of the result table. Then enter the true for the approximate match or the false for the exact match. Xlookup searches both vertically and horizontally. In the Xlookup function, first select the lookup value. Then select the search range. Then select the result range. You can write error message. The today function displays the current system date and is updated every day. The now function displays the current system date and time. Use the Ctrl and Backtick shortcut key to see all formulas. To find and select formulas, go to the Home tab, Editing Group, find and select formulas. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.